Experiencing frequent disconnections with your HyperX Cloud 3 wired headset? The most common causes are related to the USB cable and port. The headset needs stable power, 5 volts 500 milliamps, and sufficient data bandwidth. Cable fraying, especially near the connectors, can cause intermittent signal loss. Older USB 2.0 ports or underpowered front panel ports are often culprits. Let's troubleshoot. First, inspect the USB cable for any visible damage, especially near the headset and USB connectors. Try a different USB port, preferably a rear USB 3.0 port on your motherboard, as these typically provide more power and stability. Avoid USB hubs. Connect the headset directly to your computer to ensure stable power and data transfer. Update your HyperX Ingenuity software to ensure you have the latest drivers and firmware for optimal performance. If problems persist, test the headset on another device to rule out a headset defect rather than a computer issue. Contact HyperX support for a cable replacement if under warranty, as this is often the weakest link causing disconnection issues.